Today we're diving into a running app that's caught a lot of attention lately. Runna, short for running coach in your pocket. Whether you're just starting out or training for a marathon, or even an ultra distance, this app promises to help you hit your goals. So let's explore everything you need to know. What it is, how it works, its strong points, potential drawbacks, and whether it's worth your time. What is Runna? Runna is a mobile app designed to provide personalized running training plans and coaching, no matter your level. On the Google Play Store, it's listed as Runna, Running Plans and Coach, and shows over 1 million downloads. Originally, the brand was known as RunBuddy and has since rebranded to Runna. The core idea, instead of generic training routines, you get a plan tailored to your goals, schedule, ability, and evolves as you progress. Key features and how it works. Here are the major features that make Runna what it is. Personalized training plans. You can pick your goal, first 5K, improving 10K, half marathon, full marathon, even ultramarathon. The plan adapts as you go. If you adjust your schedule or your progress changes, the app supports that dynamic approach. There are also special plans for scenarios like post-injury or off-season maintenance training. Device and sync compatibility. Runna syncs with popular running devices and platforms. Garmin, Apple Watch, Coros, Suunto, Fitbit, etc. It supports GPS tracking for outdoor runs, mapping your route, measuring pace, distance. It also integrates with platforms like Strava for social sharing. Holistic coaching and support. Beyond just run X miles today, Runna offers strength training, mobility work, and even injury management advice. There's also access to a community of runners and support from coaching staff. Pricing and plans. A free trial period is offered, first week free, to test the app. After that, you'll be looking at subscription pricing, monthly or annual, for the premium features. Why it's good / what stands out. The level of personalization is strong. Picking your distance goal, your current level, and then getting a tailored plan. That's more specific than many generic run X times per week apps. The fact that it covers the whole spectrum from beginner couch to 5K to advanced marathons and ultramarathons means you don't outgrow it quickly. Device integration is a plus. If you already have a smartwatch or running watch, being able to sync makes using the app much smoother. Community and coach support give it more than just a tracker feel. It has a real training coach vibe. The off-season / maintenance plan feature is unique. It helps maintain fitness without overtraining when you're between goals. Potential weaknesses / things to consider. Some more advanced or ultra-elite runners in forums have questioned whether the mileage and structure is sufficient for very high-level goals. For example, one runner noted, their advanced marathon plan, peaking just over 100 km per week, I would add more mileage. So if your goal is highly competitive running, e.g. elite marathon times, you might find the plans less aggressive than what a coach might prescribe. Subscription cost. As with any premium fitness / training app, you'll need to weigh whether the features justify the ongoing cost. The effectiveness of the plan depends on you following it consistently. Personalization helps, but you still have to do the work. Some users might prefer more flexibility or build your own, rather than following structured sessions every day. Practical tips for using Runna successfully. When you first open the app, take your time completing the initial assessment, current fitness, experience, goal race, how many days you can run per week. The more accurate your input, the better the personalization. If you have a smartwatch or running watch, make sure you pair it early on so your runs get recorded automatically and your plan is synced. Stay honest with your form and pace. If the plan recommends easy run, keep it easy. Many runners make the mistake of doing easy runs too fast, which can reduce progress and increase injury risk. Use the strength, recovery, and mobility modules. These are often overlooked by runners, but they're key for resilience and injury prevention. Use the community / coaching support. If you hit a snag, an injury, or need to adapt the plan because your schedule changed, reach out within the app. Stay consistent. Even when you're between goals, use the maintenance mode to hold your base rather than stopping completely. That makes your next build much smoother. Who is it for? Beginners? Absolutely yes. If you're just getting into running, e.g. 5K or 10K goals, and want guidance, this app gives structure and coaching. Intermediate runners? Yes, especially if you're improving your times, doing half marathons, or looking to make your running more systematic. Advanced/elite runners? Possibly yes, but with caveats. If you already have high mileage, multiple years of structured training, or very aggressive targets, you may find the app's plans a starting point rather than a full elite program. People wanting more than just run or just track pace. If you want strength training, mobility, injury prevention built into your running training, not just go and run XKM, then this is a solid option. Final thoughts. If you're serious about improving as a runner, but don't have the budget or time to hire a personal coach, Runna offers a strong value proposition. Personalized, adaptive training plans, device integration, holistic support, and a supportive community. That said, no app is a magic bullet. Your results will depend on consistency, honest effort, good recovery, proper nutrition, and listening to your body. If you're into running casually, it will still help structure your routine. If you're very competitive and chasing elite times, consider it as one component of a wider training ecosystem. So if you're looking for a coach in your pocket that covers everything from your first 5K to your first marathon or beyond, give Runna a try and see how it fits your style.